Oh, yate. So this is the Navajo lesson 4, number kinship and numbers. October 2nd, actually October 1st if you're Navajo 2. So let's go ahead and go to the next slide. Shade, shadeja, shade, she, shina, shitsila. And these are the names: Bob, Jane, Terry, Carl, Lee. So she, it's me. So the question is, we go, Terry, that's me, Terry. Terry. Deja Khashwalya. What is my sister's name? Terry Deja Ba'walya. Number 2. Terry Sila Khashwalya. Terry Sila Liwalya. Number 3. Terry Shina Do Shada Khashwalya. Terry Deja Ba'walya. And then, well, actually, it's, let me go to this one again. Okay, let's go to this one. So, so the third one, kind of messed up here. Sheteri, shina, do shada khashulya. So you'd go. Yeah, instead of Sheteri, Sheteri, Ba'walya. That was the same as the top one. And then if you say Sheteri, Sheteri, Khashwalya, and so you're just going back and forth, and you practice with each other on this, and then we'll go through it again one more time when I come back. Thank you. Let's go to the next one. This one, Terry's down here, so you would say, number 1, Sheteri, Shema Khashwalya, Sheteri, Shema Gladyswalya. Number 2, Sheteri, Sheteri, Babwalya. And then you say Sheteri, and then you choose 2, like Shenale, Do, Shetshe, Khashwalya. And then Sheteri, Sheteja. That might be a way to go. Sheteja, Do, blank, Walya. So you're just doing 2 at a time. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to say for right now. Then we'll practice some more later.